Hello everyone, Thanos here. Going to do another Transformers review with the Revenge of the Fallen Deluxe Class Ratchet. And I gotta say, this actually figure actually has grown on me a little bit. Because every time I see him in stores, I was always hesitant on picking him up because I didn't know how well I was going to like him. But, you know, after playing with him a little bit, it's starting to grow on me here. So it's pretty cool. He does have a lot of stuff underneath, a lot of robot bits, but you know, it's okay. Doesn't bother me. He can because he can roll just nice once you get everything properly lined up here. Had it a little while ago. Not exactly sure what happened here. Oh well. There we go. Guess it works for now, I guess. So, to begin Ratchet's transformation, I'm going to start by taking off his EMP gun, which I have to say does fire pretty well too. So has a pretty good spring on it. So first thing you want to do is unpeg the sides here, like this and like that. Take this back piece and just lift up, fold in the tailgate, and then bring this back up, collapse it onto the top part. Then you want to go underneath here and take the feet and just fold those out like so. Do the same thing with the other side. Then you want to spin them around at the knees here, like this, and like this, and bring out the heels, like the Human Alliance Bumblebee that he has. And just stand them up like that. Looking good. You want to undo these side panels up here to the front and just bring these out to the side like this. The same thing with the other side. Just bring it out. Got everything a little loose here, loosened up. Then what you want to do next is go ahead and accordion these back, fold those back to the side. And the same thing with the other one. Get this out of the way. There you go. And just bring this in. Bring this down to where you have enough clearance to actually twist the body around here. And then just fold it right back inside. Everything nice and in there. And then you notice you got right here, you got a post right here and a post right there for a couple of ports. Go ahead and bring those in. Line it up correctly. And it should just snap right into the chest area, or the crotch area, which it just did. And then go ahead and bring these pieces down. And it just loosened up, or just moved the lights kind of like in a little triangle shape right there. Not sure what's going on with this foot here. Anyway, continue on. We're going to move these doors back here to the back and move his arms down. Kind of fold this in like this. Do the same thing with the other side. Unpeg the arm. Door likes to pop off on me, I've noticed. Bring these in. And just fold this around. Bring it out like this. Go and bring down the doors. Just slide the wheels rather. and just slide these in. Make the shoulder panels. Same thing with the other side. And here we have Ratchet in his robot mode. Get these shoulders going here. That's a really nice transformation too. And a lot of good articulation too. His head can't rotate because of his collar that he has right around in here. His arms can go a complete 360, but it has his shoulders that go along with it, so you know, it's not a big deal. No waist articulation. His legs can go so far, but the bend at the knees due to the transformation has a little make alive gimmick in there that I don't know if you can see that clearly, but this little silver piece has robotic bones and whatnot, or the endoskeleton kind of rotates once you move the knee as well. So, and then take his gun, and when you slide this gun in, so I fired at the camera, has these little bits right here that just hold on to the gun to where it looks like his hand just formed into the gun. Get that real quick. Alrighty, just got his missile here. So, do I recommend this guy? I would say yeah, I would. He is a lot of fun to play with. He's a nice addition to your collection, and he also goes good with lockdown too. So, plus he can hold lockdown's engine and the vehicle mode, which I forgot to show you. See if I can still pull this off here. Yeah, kinda, but notice it has the same shape and everything on it, so still pretty cool. And there he is. I would say yeah, go ahead and pick him up. I think he's worth the money and the price to pay for him. So this is Thanos here saying thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.